Hi guys, how you doing? This is the FX Chieftain. My name is Chinedu Israel Godspar, and I'm here to give you the weekly Sunday outlook. What did I just say? Pardon me. I'm here to give you the Sunday outlook for the 100K to 10 millionaire challenge. The past 2 weeks of this challenge has been quite challenging, and I guess that's why it's called a challenge. So the first week we had no trades till it was Friday, and we swung the trade into the second week where we lost the trade after running into good profit. It rallied against us, became a range, and we lost that trade on Monday. Fast forward, on Thursday we had a very good trade, and it was on CHF JPY, and you know I told everyone to put in a pending order for a buy limit. Sadly, we're not tagging that trade, and the trade rallied back up. I had to look for what I did wrong, what caused the trade not to tag us in and make so much profit. And I found out that the broker I was using, which was FXCM, did not tag me in, while ICE on a different broker on TradingView had actually got into that price level and were not included. So that's a sad thing, and that's one of the challenges we traders go through. But the beautiful thing is, some people made money from that signal because they did not understand when I said buy limit. They got into the instant execution at that same point. It's just a coincidence. That's what I tell you. In Forex, you don't really know you don't really need to know much to make money from Forex. You just need to know how to click buy and sell. But if you want to be consistently profitable, you need to know everything. You need to be knowledgeable. You need to seek knowledge. And that's why I'm here to guide every one of us. This is the 100K to 10 millionaire challenge, and this is week 3. Today is Sunday. I'm going to be doing the market breakdown on how we'll be anticipating to get into good trades this week. The market has been ranging for so long, for about 2 weeks now, and I'm happy the market is beginning to realign itself, and we are going to expect the market this week to trend. So guys, come and see what I'm going to be looking for inside of the chart. Peace. See you soon. So guys, we are here on the chart, and I want you guys to see we'll be talking about GBP USD and the CHF JPY specifically. These are the two pairs I want to look out for in this week 3 of the 100K to 10 millionaire challenge. It's a challenge, so why not try it? Jim Rohn said something. He said, take a step to become a millionaire. Understand? Take a step, take that journey, take that drive, that push to become a millionaire. Not because of the money, but what it will make of you, you know. What do you think you'll become if we actually pull this off? How do you think your mindset, the mindset, it's mind-blowing. Like it changes everything. You're like, so money can really be made, money can actually be compounded, capital can actually be made in this way, you know. And that's the purpose of this thing. So guys, let me not talk too much. Let's get into the charts. So GBP USD is what I want to be looking out for. This is on the weekly time frame. You can see it, the market's been trending down, down, down. But now the market is trying, it has a short-term what or a mid-term bullish intent to take out liquidity above. So I'm going to put half analysis on it. So I'm going to like show all my drawings right now. Now we can see. Let's just go to the monthly because I want people to actually understand the breakdown of this analysis. The market has been what? Look at the entire structure for it. The swing point. Market has been ranging in between the swing higher and the swing low right here. And now the market is showing divergence to go higher. Liquidation, no solid break. So if the market respects this level, it should go higher and break, the internal structures, and we should expect bullishness to the upside. That's my anticipation. That's what I've speculated so far. On the weekly time frame, now I can see what the market is doing. The market is what? Giving bullish intent, going higher. Now the market also has what? Gone higher on this trend line. If you go to like the daily time frame, you see where the market broke it. But why did it break it? Because it reacted on the bullish order block in that shaded in gray. So I'm going to turn this to green now so we get to see how big it is. Or okay, let me change the color again to blue. Understand? That's the bullish order block on the weekly time frame. That's why the market reacted there. See, it has been going really high. So let me take that back to gray. And now, when the market reacted, I expected it to give us an entry. It did not. It did not give us an entry. This is what it did on the 1 hour. Let's go the 1 hour. Market just kept going higher. After this shift in structure, break of structure, the downside, change of character with this news event right here, the market kept going higher, kept going higher, kept going higher, kept going higher. And we see the market even do a pullback, was respecting this trend. And now the market respected this trend and it has also hit this trend right now. And what I'm anticipating is because of it has taken out, has done the market structure shift, you know, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, structure broke higher. This is a swing low, swing high. Market came, broke level after doing a liquidation of these highs. So this is now a downtrend inside of an uptrend. That's inside of a downtrend. All right. So the market has reacted on this trend as expected, got me into this level. I would have put in on this trade because it's just 26 pips. But because of the slippage, and I know when it is Friday, it's a close of a section and of the week. So there's no point holding a trade to the next day. What I'm going to be anticipating is for the market to give me a internal structure shift, a lower time frame shift on the 1 minute. And let's go to the 15 minutes. We'll see that there's no structural shift there. It's just liquidation, liquidation, liquidation. If you extend this level, liquidation, liquidation. But if you go to the 3 minutes, you see that the market has been broken, even the 1 minute, which is actually the lower time frame. So the market was broken right here on the 3 minutes. On the 1 minute, the market was broken too. So let's go back to the 3 minutes. Let's go back to the 5 minutes, see where the market was broken. So since the market has been broken, what we're anticipating is this. We can we can sell from any level here. But this is what we're anticipating. The market has broken structure here. This is a swing high. This is a low. This is what was created. Now market has come down, broken it. All we're anticipating is the market to enter into a level of a premium level again to tag us in so we can sell from anywhere from here. So all I need to do now is look for a supply level inside of this 1 minute time frame, this 1 minute structure. So let me just increase this to make it a little bit thick. So we have, an understanding of what we're looking out for. So this is what we'll be looking out for our trade. This is happening exactly under the trend, under this trend line, which means it has broken structure. It has broken the trend, it has broken structure. That is so many confirmations. If you look at the RSI, you also see that maybe it's a good place to sell because it's definitely below 40%. And if you go to maybe to the 1 hour, likely would be on the over. Okay, right here was at the over bot level, and now market is trending lower. What did I do? What did I do? I don't like when this happens. All right, so we're good. We're good to go. All right. So I'll be looking to sell short GBP USD in this week, this coming week. We're already in the week, so I'm looking to sell short GBP USD. All I need is a confirmation entry on the 1 minute, and that will come in form of an order block or a liquidation of lows, equal lows. So right here, I can see equal lows resting. The market has done a liquidation. Wow, maybe I should have entered from here, but I wanted confirmation. But notwithstanding, all I can say is when the market opens, if there's a rally up to do a retest on any of these structures, I would want to get in on that trade. So I'll be looking for the market to give me a little bit of a push up. And if this is a push it has done, I'll be looking out for an entry in London section on Monday, to sell this market short, or I'll be waiting for another structural shift if I have missed this one by not entering from the origin. So when the market does this and does this again, I get to enter from the next lower high and sell the market short. So this is what I'm anticipating from GBP USD and also my community, the Chieftain Circle. This is what we're anticipating and taking this market to a very good level. I'm anticipating the market to come to this level. Hopefully it does. There's a 1 to 9 risk reward. When we win, we want to win big, and when we lose, we want to lose very small. So that's why we're confident that we'll get in on this trade. So CHF I'm actually looking for a buy to a sell. Same way I'm looking for what? A sell to a buy on GBP USD. So I want to buy from these levels around here. While on CHFJPY, let's get it in on the straight. So we can clearly see on the 1 hour time frame, even on the 4 hour time frame, the market, let's go to 4 hour. Market has been giving us shifting structures to the downside, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Market structure shift, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All we know the market should do next is what? Rally up after this liquidation of lows, lower high, push down, give us a lower low, and look for a place, to get into the level of demand later on. But we don't really care. We're concerned about the current market levels. So what I'm looking out for is the market to tag me in on this demand zone. This was the area we missed last week. We could have gotten in on this stretch, this buy stretch. Could have gotten in on these levels and the buy, rallying up, but we're waiting for confirmation and we did not get that. So all I'm waiting for is the market has taken out short-term highs, internal structure, change of character, break of structure, rallied up, market should come into a level of demand again to push even higher. And this should give us, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. This is, if you take it to this level of liquidity, this is looking like a 1 to 3, right? This is looking like a 1 to 3. But if you take it to this level, this is looking like a 1 to 3, risking about 49 pips. But I know that we are going to have a refinement, so it's going to be like a 1 to 6. So if you leave it here, we're going to be looking at 1 to 6, and if you do a refinement, still we're getting 1 to 12. So we always have high risk to reward. It's not ridiculous. It's actually very good. I'm an intraday trader, so I can keep my trade for a couple of days and let them hit the targets, the profit targets. So this is what we'll be looking out for on CHFJPY next week. We want to take a buy, and it's looking like it's going to give us those buys once it has taken out all of these lows. And when we get in, we set and we forget. That's the protocol. That's the logic. We set and forget. So also other pairs we have is the Euro USD, and let's see, this is Euro USD on yes, this is Euro USD. We're looking at Euro USD to give us a shift in structure. It has not done that yet. The Euro USD what has been bullish, bullish, bullish. So I'm expecting the change of character to come to sell to this level so we can buy from this demand level, just like in the GBP USD. These pairs, they are what? They are correlated. Same. So same thing on SAU USD, gold. Gold has been ranging for the most time, and I know it's coming to this demand level that has been created, I think on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour. So let's see, yeah, on the 4 hour. So if gold comes to this level, she anticipated to buy again. Once it buys, we're looking at going higher, and that's why I have this guy here. So I want to take gold higher, you know, higher, 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 higher. So this is what I have for us, guys. This is everything I have for us. So the main pair we're looking out for is what? CHFJPY and GBPUSD. CHFJPY and GBPUSD. We'll be looking out for a buy on CHFJPY and we're looking out for a sell on GBPUSD. So thank you all for coming up on this video. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, also to share this video, and also to comment. I really appreciate your comments. I'm in your chieftain, and this is Sunday, the 17th of August, 2025, and I'm really happy to be doing this challenge. We don't have any positive equity yet, but I'm very optimistic that we can do something really good. Bye guys, see us later. Thank you all for coming up. Bless.